I love children. And here we have a very, very special, talented, beautiful, cute Arista Sahai. Welcome, Arista. Please enlighten us and inspire a whole world with your magic.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much.
Great, great. So your voice is melodious and your voice is going to be like a lioness tomorrow. And I also am aware that you are inspiring students with public speaking skills. So what is that motivation that keeps you going?
Definitely one of my motivations and is my dream to inspire the world. The inspiring world, many people want to inspire the world, but I want to create an impact in people's life and make them remember and tell them continuously that you have to chase after your dreams. You have to work towards them because that's the key to success, like chasing after your dreams. And dreams are also like wishes. वो हमारी मन की भाषा होती है, like the desire, the burning desire in our hearts that we want to perceive. तो मैं लोगों को वैसे इंस्पायर करना चाहती हूँ, and I want to inspire the world by telling them that please do keep chasing your dreams because that's why you're here, that's why you're born.
ये जादू है, ये कैसे हुआ? सी आप इतने छोटे से हो और मैं हो गया बूढ़ा, तो ये कैसे? हम इस उम्र में भी धक्का मार रहे हैं, बफेलो की तरह चल रहे हैं और आप रेस के घोड़े की तरह, है ना? So there are so many who lack inspiration. So what is this magic? Who sowed the seed like this, or what changed you about burning desire and implementation of your dreams? ये कैसे हुआ?
My mom has always been a big inspiration in my life, and my dad has been continuously supporting me. They are the pillar of my strength. They teach me. My mom has taught me all this. My mom has taught me law of attraction. She has taught me how to chase my dreams. She taught me how to inspire the world. She has sown this seed in my heart that I need to inspire millions like her. My mom is Dr. Vijeta Sahai. She's a leadership coach, and she also is on a mission to help inspire the world. And I got really hugely inspired by her, and I keep getting inspiration from each and everything that I see in life, and each and everything keeps me going to pursue my dreams.
Super, super, super. The secret, what I learned is love your parents, respect your parents, learn from your parents. You don't have to go out and search for inspiration. Inspiration is right at home. Inspiration in our heart. That's what Arista is doing, following, living every day. Okay, great. Now my next question is, मूड ऑफ भी हो जाता है कभी कभी, वी फील सैड, हाउ डू यू अपलिफ्ट एंड इंस्पायर योरसेल्फ इन दोस मोमेंट्स?
Well, the one thing that keeps me going, and one thing that keeps me working is definitely music. Music has like this incredible power to charge you up. If you listen to an upbeat music, you will just feel like dancing to it, grooving to it. And when you listen to a sad song, you feel that emotion within you. So I mostly listen to uplifting music and inspiring music that keeps me going, and it just immediately charges up my mood. I don't know how, but music has that power to charge you up. So
Great.
yeah, just listen to some music that keeps you going, whether be it Rihanna ka music, be it Ed Sheeran ka music. Listen to any music in the world which keeps you going, which keeps you grooving to it. And yeah, music is my key to stay concentrated and uplift my mood. Definitely.
सुपर. ठीक है, लाइफ है तो सक्सेस भी आती है, फेलियर भी आता है. सो हाउ टू फेस फेलियर्स? You feel like giving up? No, I will not do it again. Then what happens?
There will be some blockage. आप रोड पे चलते हो, स्पीड बम तो आएगा ही ना,
वाह।
आपको स्लो डाउन तो करेगा वो, लेकिन हमारा वी हैव टू गिव दैट गियर का पुश, वी हैव टू एक्सेलरेट आवर कार, है ना? So that car is you are driving it, that car is taking you towards your success, and those speed bumps are actually like hindrances that come in your way. तो आपको तो वैसे भी आपको स्लो डाउन तो करना पड़ेगा कहीं पे, and definitely you have to give yourself to push, because we are the ones responsible for our own dreams. We ourselves have to go and push towards our dreams, and failures आते जाते हैं. Everything, first thing is have hope within you. Have hope, because that is the thing that will keep you going. Hope का full form मैं आपको बताती हूँ. HOPE, hope. That is hold on, pain ends. This will soon come to an end. All things come to an end. So this thing also will come to an end, and you will again be blossoming like a flower once more.
You are a super motivation. I'm inspired. I'm your fan. I'm thankful to you for sharing the pearls of wisdom which just effortlessly came from your heart. So thankful to you. But you tell me, who are your role models apart from Mummy Papa?
Definitely, I have 3 role models in my life. एक तो first person I met was BSR sir, Coach Bhupendra Singh Rathore. Bhupendra Singh Rathore has like definitely changed my life. I first time attended his commando training when I was 12 years old. It is a 90 days ka challenge which you have to take, which is a continuous dose of motivation, and it just changes your life. And that's an amazing program. Second inspiration is definitely one of my teachers, and she has taught me so many things. She was my 4th standard class teacher. She has taught me so many things in life. Her name is Amrapali Deb. She is amazing. She still continues to inspire me. She has taught me that life is simple. Keep it simple, yeah. Just keep going. It's life, no. It's nothing else, no. And just keep going. She taught me that. And the third person is definitely हमारे Smiley sir. I call him Smiley sir. हमारे Sunny Nagpal sir. आपने LinkedIn पे इतने छोटे-छोटे वीडियोस डाल रखे हैं with continuous inspiration from small things. I just look forward to your videos each and every day, because आप ना सबका mood brighten up कर देते हो. Whenever I see your videos, I laugh, I smile, and I just think life को seriously नहीं लेने का. Just go with the flow. Just stay happy, be happy, live happy.
Amazing. I'm so thankful, honored, and humbled that I'm in your list with so many great people. And all of us have seeds of greatness. It is not the numbers, but it is the beauty of your heart. So thankful to you. Amazing answers. Your happiest moment.
My happiest moment. See, each and every moment in my life is happy, because I want to make it happy. I don't want to live my life in agony or cry. I definitely do cry. मेरा जब भाई मुझे मारता है, when my brother hits me, I definitely cry because it hurts. But each and every moment is of happiness in my life. And the thing I want to say here is, definitely, even the smallest of tasks can make you happy. If I want to complete my homework, like I have taken the goal to complete my homework by 2:30 today. So if I complete my homework by 2:30, before 2:30, that will also make me happy. And if I want to record a podcast episode, that will also make me happy. So find small happiness even in the smallest of things, because those will slowly build up, and you'll become the most happiest person on the planet.
You are definitely amazing, because when I asked this question to Dr. Kiran Bedi, ma'am, which is your happiest moment? You know what she replied? this moment, sitting in front of you and laughing. And she continued, every moment is to be cherished. Every day is a great day. And I was expecting she'll say this award, that award. You know, when I caught that criminal, when I got Raman Magsaysay Award, Asian Nobel Prize. She didn't say anything. And I could see the same answer coming from you. That happiness is a choice. Happiness is created in small things. Happiness is an attitude. Happiness is a habit. So beautiful. You are already on the path to be happy forever, with faith in your heart, with goodness in your heart, with the service mindset. Wow, wow, wow. I can't thank you enough, but I'll continue to be in touch with you and I'll invite you for the next show with some more topics, different agenda, and more smiles and laughter. So, thank you. Signing off. Big, 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 big thank you.
Thank you so much for having me. Really thankful, humbled.